Everyone, welcome back. So MAZI Nnamdi Kanu was in court today, the 14th of May 2025. Today court trial was very funny because I don't know, I am not aware was raining in court today. You guys will be shocked. Oh my goodness. In fact, today's court proceeding was very funny. So this is what happened in court today. Court update for MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, 14th May 2025. The defense counsel starts cross-examination of the second masked witness. Witness moves to the witness box. Defending counsel: you obtain a video statement from the defendant. Is that correct? Masked witness said, yes, I did. Defending counsel: were you wearing a mask when you obtained the video statement from defendant Nnamdi Kanu? Same defending counsel: how long was the defendant in detention before you obtained the video statement that was marked as an exhibit? Masked witness: I don't know. I really don't know how long he has been in detention. Defending counsel: the defendant MAZI Nnamdi Kanu has been kept alone in your cell all by himself. Are you aware? Masked witness: I don't know. Defending counsel: do you understand that solitary confinement is a punishment? Masked witness: if you say so, it's a punishment. Defending counsel: you kept him in solitary confinement because he is in danger to himself or the society. Masked witness: I am not aware he has been in solitary confinement. Defending counsel: you subjected MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, the defendant, to solitary confinement. Masked witness: I don't know how long MAZI Nnamdi Kanu has been detained in DSS custody. Defending counsel: do you know the minimum duration to keep someone in solitary confinement before arraignment? Masked witness: I am not aware of the duration for detention before arraigning the person in court or how long the defendant has been in DSS custody. Defending counsel: since you don't know, from the United Nations law, you can't keep someone for more than 15 days in custody. Are you aware? Masked witness: I am not aware. Hey, wahala. Defending counsel: the long detention of this gentleman has caused him unhappiness. Are you aware? Hey, masked witness: I am not aware. Defending counsel: are you aware the defendant has been in detention for 4 years after the interview and has become very unhappy and frustrated? Do you know that MAZI Nnamdi Kanu's prolonged detention was not executed through a court order? Masked witness: I don't know. Defending counsel: are you aware the defendant MAZI Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in 2015? Masked witness: I am not aware. Defending counsel: were you part of the investigation? Masked witness respond: I am not part of the investigation. Defending counsel: are you aware of the previous charges? Masked witness: I am not aware. Defending counsel: are you aware the charges were amended? Masked witness: I don't know. Defending counsel: following the amended charges, do you know several charges have been dropped? Masked witness: I don't know. Defending counsel: do you know that amongst the charges filed, only 3 was attributed to the defendant? Masked witness: I don't know. Defending counsel: do you know some of the charges were dropped by prosecution? Do you know that the charges were amended 6 days after the defendant was kidnapped? Masked witness: I don't know. Defending counsel: are you aware that in all the filed charges, no one has been named except the defendant? Masked witness: I am not aware. Defending counsel respond: so, your evidence consists of what you know and what you were supplied with? Masked witness: yes. Defending counsel: you told this court that some of the things you testified right here in court were supplied to you? Masked witness: yes, some of my testimonies and evidences were supplied to me. This was the response of the masked witness. My people, are you smelling something fishy? I don't know. It's raining right now. Defending counsel: are you aware these charges have been pending for 10 years? Masked witness: I am not aware. Defending counsel: the investigation was completed before the defendant was brought to court. Masked witness: I am not aware. Defending counsel, how many people did you obtain a statement from over this case? Mark's witness, I obtained statement from numerous people, but I can't remember. I showed MAZI Nnamdi Kanu the letter from the former Attorney General of the Federation. Defending counsel, did you lead the Attorney General to my client so to know who is accusing him? Mark's witness, no, I didn't. Defending counsel, the investigation of this case has been concluded even before his adoption in 2015. Are you aware? At the time you received the instruction through the letter from former AGF, do you know that investigation had already been concluded and charges filed? Mark's witness, I don't know. Defending counsel, was it from this letter you became aware of this case? Mark's witness, I am not aware. Defending counsel respond, before you received the directives from the DSS office where you work, were you aware of this matter? Mark's witness, I wasn't aware. Wow. So this Mark's witness now his ear has been closed to everything that has been happening. Yeah. I am not aware. I don't know. I was not aware. Investigation carried out before the case was even concluded. You are not aware. Wow. So now the defending counsel, in the letter the AGF reported, the complaint he had received against MNK, what was the response of your office, DSS? Mark's witness, I don't know of the AGF's complaint. Defending counsel, the only investigation you conducted was the video interview. Mark's witness, not only that. Defending counsel, I put it to you that you did not conduct any other interview. Mark's witness, I did, but the documents are in my office. Wow. Then the court burst into laughter. My people, he reached to laugh. Wow. Defending counsel, after you received the Attorney General's directives, the charges were again amended. Mark's witness, I am just an investigator. I am not aware of the content of the charges filed against the defendant. Defending counsel, I put it to you that the charges remain the same after the directive of the AGF. Mark's witness, I do not know. Defending counsel, in that directive, the AGF already had given you its conclusion. So did you issue any report after that investigation? Mark's witness, yes, I did. Defending counsel, now I boldly put it to you that you were influenced by the former Attorney General's letter. We are getting somewhere. Defending counsel proceeds to say, are you aware Southwest governors came together and agreed to form a vigilante group? Next, I'm aware the governors did so. Defending counsel, did you get a letter from the former Attorney General so to complain about the killings of innocent people? Mark's witness, I am aware the Southwest governors formed Amotekun. Justice James Omotosho adjourned MAZI Nnamdi Kanu's case to the previously scheduled date, 21st and 22nd May 2025, for continuation of cross-examination and trial due to the intense heat emitting from the desk of defending counsel Agabi San. The end. Wow. My people, what do you think? What do you think about today's update? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section. Meanwhile, I will want us to watch some videos from MAZI Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer and all they have to say about his trial today. Let's watch this.
He's coming this way. Mandela.
Come this way.
Nam.
Amam. Adam Malot. I don't know.
Sorry.
Daddy, on biscuits. Chocolate biscuits. Daddy, on chocolate biscuits.
Okay, come.
Okay, the cross-examination of BBB started today and went on smoothly, but the defense got to a point where they needed documents to confront the witness, and those documents have been applied for. The CTC have been applied for, but not obtained yet. So based on that, an adjournment was granted to the 21st and 22nd of May, and we pray and hope that we'll get the documents so that we will continue with our cross-examination. So that's essentially what happened.
N'ụbọchị taa ka ikpe MAZI Nnamdi Kanu ga-agakwa n'iru n'ụlọikpe dị elu dị na Abuja. Barrister, kedu ihe na-atụ anya ịbụ onye ọkaiwu, kedu ihe na-atụ anya nwere ike ime na ya bụ ụlọikpe taa ka ihe siri kwuru ugbu a MAZI Nnamdi Kanu agwụchiela n'ụlọikpe?
Obi ụtọ bụ ikpe a na-agazi ọkụ anya m ji gbu unu si oge ihe ruo oge ya eme ọ bụghị ya ndị a na-eche ha na ọ ga-eme o mee n'ugbu a ọhịa anyị na-ekwu ka ekpeke n'ikpe a ka anyị hụ ihe mụọ na-ekwu ihe ọbụla a na-agakọ ikwu maka na ọwụ ndị gọọmenti ka aka na-agba ajụjụ ọ bụghị ya ndị DSS na ndị ha pụta ndị aka na-agba ajụjụ ndị ke Nnamdi Kanu lọya ha ebidokwere bịa mee cross examination ka eme interrogate ka ajụọkwana ha ihe unu na-ekwu kedu otu unu chiri ghọta ya, kedu otu unu chi nwu ya, unu bịa kọwara ebe a ka okwu ga-ebi maka na ndị lọya Nnamdi Kanu ha na ha etekile rekọdụ ihe ndị a na-ekwu
akaebe niile ha na-agba
ihe ha na-ekwu so ọ gba ha kwuchakwana abịa jụọ ha ajụjụ na ihe ha na-ekwu akaebe unu na-agba ọ ebe ahụ ka a ga-esi mata nke wụ eziokwu maka na ihe a na-ekwu na ọwụ ebe dị ikpe nọ ọ bụghị ịtụ ashị wu isiokwu ya ọwụ ịtụcha ashị a ịgakwa akọwa ashị ịtụrụ ịgakwa akọwa na ya na-atụ ị na-atụ na ọwụ eziokwu ka ị na-ekwu ihe a ọ ya wụ so ha mere m expect na jude ekwe ihe ha mekwere oge gara aga ọkwa ashị ha na-atụ ọkwa ihe agaghị na-atụ.
Barrister, ọ bụrụ na ile anya n'ụbọchị Mọnde izu ụka ka otu onye n'ime ndị ọkaiwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ Kanu Agabi SAN ma bụrụkwa onye bụbụrụ onye atọni jeneralụ ala anyị n'oge gara aga gara na DSS ka ọhụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu maka na a sị na ụlọikpe nyere iwu na n'oge dị otu a onye iwu ya nwere ike ahụ ya na ihe ndị ọzọ mana a sị na dịka Aloy Ejimakor siri kwuo na Kanu Agabi SAN gara ịhụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ọdọ DSS n'ụbọchị Mọnde izuụka mana DSS ekweghị ka ọ hụ ya ya bụ akụkọ kwuru na ọ gara ka ọ hụ ya ya na-akparịtakwana na-akwado maka ya bụ ụlọikpe ha ga-aga taa mana emeghị nke a barịsa ọ dịghịkwaghị ka DSS agakwala n'iru na-enupụ isi na ya bụ iwu ụlọikpe na-enye ọkachasị ka o siri metụta ndị ga na-abịa n'ọdọ ha na-ahụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu.
Ọ bụ ihe m mere expect achere m taa n'ụbọchị taa na
Agabi
Kanu Agabi SAN ọ ga-agwa kọtụ ihe a na-eme ya ekwulite ya na kọtụ ka kọtụ mata maka ma ịgwa gị kọtụ ha agaghị ama nke na-eme ha kwulite agwa kene ndị kọtụ ihe DSS a na-eme ma ha chọkwara ka okwu a gaa n'ihu maka na ọ wụ ohuru gị na lọya gị ị na-enwe mkparị ọ bụrụ na ị nwere okwu na kọtụ gị na lọya ga na-akparịka nkata in fact all your right enweghị ihe dị ka argument n'ime ya gị na lọya gị suppose ị na-ada ntị ma inwe okwu na kọtụ mana ndị achọghị amamihe ha bụ n'obi overzealousness ndị DSS ọ na-atụ ọ na-agbagwoju m anya ka emezie ka emekwe ka eme nnọọ ka asịkwa na anyị na-arụ ọrụ ka a na-arụ nnọọ ka ahụkwa nnọọ na anyị na-eme ihe asaghị mee onye na-ezi unu ọwụ kọtụ idekwu na onwe gị ka ihe kọtụ gwara gị oke chere no onye awụ onye na-edifendị Nnamdi Kanu na ụlọikpe ya lie ada ntị biko ada Igbo kedu ihe dị njọ n'ime ya ha na gị mekwu ka ọ gịnị ya wigwu iwe mekeshọn na ikpe agaghị n'ihu maka Nnamdi Kanu nwekwara ike ịpụta echi na nupụkwu isi otu o ji nupụ isi na nke Peter Nyako tinyekwe anya ndị ahụ na-emewu ihe si na onye a na-eme ahịa ha na-eme encourage ka o nupụkwu isi again maka ọwụ na anụ dara onye a na-apịwa ọnụ o nwekwara ike isi ọka ebe unu meghị taa anaghị agwaka kọtụ